Top 10 South African actors and their wives. Get to know the beautiful wives of our favorite actors. Check out top SA actors and their beautiful wives. These actors are handsome and talented actors, capturing hearts and admiration of many. But little did we know that their wives are head-turners as well. Most of our South African actors have beautiful wives which they don't hesitate to flaunt. Who is the hottest couple? 1. Shona Ferguson. Love truly does exist. This is evident in the long, strong bond between Shona and Connie Ferguson. These two have been married for more than 10 years now. It is truly inspirational that relationships can go on without much hiccup and two people can devote their love, energy, effort and everything to one another. 2. Dlathu. The two wed in a traditional-style wedding extravaganza which saw dozens of their families and friends support them at their Joburg-based homes over 2 days. Dlathu and Makro are said to have dated for a few years before deciding to make their relationship official. 3. Mabalane. The couple, who have been married for over a year, set showbiz aflutter when they got married in a beautiful ceremony. Kwaito musician, songwriter and actor Mabalane and his wife Gankone Mabalane celebrated their 2 years of marriage this year. They also welcomed their first child this year. 4. Menzin Ngubane. Former Generations actor Menzin Ngubane recently tied the knot again. The veteran Ashes to Ashes actor married his ex-girlfriend Cyclilo Sishiba in a traditional wedding in Kagiso on the West Rand this past weekend. Ngubane divorced his wife Lerato Sedib last year. 5. Motletsi Mafach. Izadingo actor Motletsi Mafach tied the knot with his childhood sweetheart Millicent Mimi Kangane. The wedding happened on Sunday last year 30 November, in Soweto. He says, "It's every man's dream to get married in life and I don't regret taking that decision." 6. Chpo Moses, Scandal actor, and Slumina Moses. 7. Juduzi Mabeso, plays Suffocate on net soapy Rhythm City. 8. Adil Job, Scandal actor known as Ndemizo. 9. Thamin Kalo, former Generations actor, and Jo Anran, also actress. 10. Kagiso Medu, Scandal actor known for his character Minji.